Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your Valorant account with your first email. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is going to work for any and all regions. All you have to do is go to the Riot Games Valorant support page. First, open up a web browser and go to support.riotgames.com. In here, scroll down and you can simply select Valorant for all Valorant support. And now here you can search or simply scroll down and select Recover Your Account. Wait for the page to load and you will be given all the results. Here, scroll down and wick. As you can see, here it says Submit a Ticket. Simply on this and you will be on this page. It is just a contact form where you have to fill out a bunch of information regarding your account, and using either the sign up or any other emails attributed to your account, you will be able to recover your Valorant account. So include your username, the region you play on, tell them how you lost your account here. Describe whole issue. After that, just select Recover, and they will contact you either through the sign-up email or recovery sign-up email. So that's basically how you can recover your Valorant account with your first email. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.